It is best to walk at least 20 minutes a day. Today I am introducing a walking pad that can be used in our home. By the way, in a few minutes we will understand what is a walking pad and the main difference between the treadmill and this one. Here we are looking at the treadmill STH 3000 model from Sparnode Fitness Equipments. At first glance, this may seem like a walking track, but we can easily change it as a regular treadmill. The total weight of this walking pad is only 35 kg, which is not the size of a normal treadmill. Due to its foldable space-saving design, it can be easily stored under your sofa or bed when needed. Therefore, this product will be useful even for people who live in a studio apartment. This treadmill or walking pad with a very compact and sleek design is now available in 4 colors: brilliant grey, onyx black, electric blue and rice red. This product was purchased from Amazon.ie at an offer price of 1199 UAE dirhams. Although the company offered the installation, we decided to install ourselves due to the current COVID situation. They were delivered at the front door of my house. I unboxed it right there and took it inside the home. It was light in weight and had 2 small wheels at the front so I could handle it alone. When we opened the box, we first got a mobile holder and then some documents. We see a spring action mechanism to secure our mobile phone in this holder during the workout. If you look at the bottom of it, it's the screw holes that fix the mobile holder. Next, we get here is a Bluetooth remote. When we open it, we see that only 3 buttons are provided here, and a button to start and stop, then the plus and minus button for speed control. This accessory will be a great help to us during the workout. On the other hand, the CR2032 button type battery is used to power the remote. It comes with a 3-year motor warranty, lifetime frame warranty and other parts with a 1-year warranty. Next up is the product user manual. It is a good idea to read this before using it for the first time. This is an optional accessory that you have received. These are handles that can be fixed to both sides of the treadmill. You can only fix it if you need to. But if this handle fixed, the treadmill will not be able to fold completely. So I am not fixing this handle for now. This is a power cord. Since we purchased it from the UAE, this is a cable with a fused 3-pin plug that is compatible with the power outlet here. The treadmill oil is available in 2 small bottles. The company recommends lubricating the treadmill belt every 20 days or so. Next, we got some screws to fix the accessories. It is also come with a few tools. This is a safety lock of the treadmill. The treadmill only works if this safety lock is connected. Now let's try the treadmill. I unboxed and did the initial setup on this treadmill as mentioned in its user manual. Then after connecting the safety lock, I pressed the start button on the given Bluetooth remote. The belt rolls smoothly at the lowest speed just like any other treadmill in the beginning. We can increase or decrease the speed as per our requirement via the remote controller or through the touch panel on the top of the riser. Below the front of the treadmill, we can see a small digital display window. It also has information on speed, time, distance and calories. Besides, a small speaker provided next to the digital display window. You can play songs from your phone via Bluetooth connectivity. But I cannot say that this is such a good speaker, but I found it fun during the workout. It works as 1 to the 4 is working mode and 1 to 12 is running mode. And so if used in running mode, it is better to fix the handles. Its running area set to be 1100 into 400 mm. Therefore, you have enough space to walk on the belt. But you just have to be more careful when you are running on the treadmill. Its motor capacity is said to be 2.25 CHP or 4.0 PHP. This treadmill can be used by people weighing up to 110 kilograms. Unlike traditional treadmills, it does not have an incline option. After 2 days of using it, I realized that this is a good treadmill. You will surely get the best value out of your money. In terms of the advantage, it has a very stylish and sleek design. We can buy this treadmill in different colors according to your taste. It is very lightweight and foldable compared to the other traditional treadmills. Therefore, we are not losing any space inside our house. There is only a very little noise when it works. With the Bluetooth connectivity, you can play music from your mobile phone. Looking at the shortcomings, the first drawback is that there is no incline option. The next one is something that they stated on the warranty card. This means that the warranty will be given only to the address mentioned in the invoice. Then if you buy this treadmill and move house within a month or two, you will lose the warranty. I wish it has a digital display little bigger. Moreover, it would have been a little more useful if its position had been given above the riser handle. Anyway, this is a treadmill that I can recommend to you all, which can be used with very little space in our home. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and next to that you will also see a bell icon. If you press that, you will get all the notification of my future videos. I'll be back with another video. Till then, this is Sajid signing off. Bye bye.